Okay.
Good afternoon. My name is Leia. But But my school is bilingual school, poverty school. And my Kate is grade 2. And my number is 19. My name is Leia. I said my teacher is so happy. I love my teacher, everyone. And when I want to go to toilet, I say, teacher, Clara, can I make go to toilet? I sit like that. Yeah, I feel very poor. This one, I'm so happy because I